Hello and welcome to another SuperNEC Basics Help video where I'm going to be covering solver settings today. So we have a number of different methods that we use to actually solve for the currents on a structure. They're listed in front of you right now. We have full method of moments, iterative method of moments, simply sparse method of moments, and parallel method of moments. In the text box in front of you, you can see a brief description of the mathematical method used for each different technique. To set the parameters for each one of these solution methods, we're going to have to go up to the Edit tab and click on the Solver settings to get into the menu. You can see there the solution technique are the four we've listed before. Then we have the solver type. So there's basically going to be two basic types of solvers. These solvers are basically going to be the LU and the BiCGS. There are two types of BiCGS, the SIM and the SIM-SOR. You can have a look at both of them. So basically BiCGS means biconjugate gradient stabilized method. And LU is called LU because it uses LU decomposition on an interactive matrix equation. And you can see both of those methods listed there on the solver type. The next thing is to set your machine's RAM. So this is where you're going to be setting the amount of memory you're going to be assigning to your simulation. So if you're running your simulation using the full method of moments and the LU decomposition, and the interaction matrix doesn't actually fit the RAM of your machine, then it's going to have to use a file-based solution technique. And basically all you need to know is that it's just under these two conditions that this field should be bothered at all. Lastly, if you'd like a very detailed description of what everything in Step 2 solver settings actually covers, please note that you have a help menu available to you on the SuperNEC program, and under that you can just go Input URM and it's on page 45 to 47. That's all from me. Have a nice day.